Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna make viral tofu gyros. These are a banger. I actually did a short on this 3 years ago, but I saw a really interesting way to make it, so I'm gonna try a new version. Let's go! And oh, this is also gonna have sweet potato fries. Okay, I started by cutting up these sweet potatoes because I didn't think I needed to bore you guys with cutting sweet potatoes. So these are just these is 3 or 4 smallish sweet potatoes that I peeled and sliced up into French fries. If you wanted to make this even easier for yourself, you could just buy frozen French fries. The original recipe that I'm inspired by online uses russet potatoes. They might even just use store-bought French fries. I don't know. They don't show that part. But we have a bunch of sweet potatoes, so I'm going to try and just make that. So while those are in the oven, I wanted to start the gyro marinade. Okay, so in this little spice plate here, we have dried dill, oregano, garlic powder, and red chili flakes. So we're gonna set that aside. We're gonna get a little bit of oil in here. 2 tablespoons of olive oil from Costco. We're gonna open up our package of extra firm tofu. Has a little bit of water in it, so you just drain that into the compost bowl. I was going to slice this up, but I think I will peel it. This is the most viral recipe I have to date. So I just peel it nice and thin like this. Okay, so I'm gonna peel this and we'll get right back into the action here. I've gotten to about this part here where starting to crumble up quite a bit, so I'm just gonna trim this off to get a nice flat triangle. You can put those pieces in. The wide pieces are good too for texture. And then we'll just do our best to cut thin ribbons. Okay, spices going in. Forgot some salt. And you just mix in. I might put a splash of this yogurt. This is unsweetened yogurt that we're gonna kind of make a garlic sauce with. And I find this works best just by mixing with your hands. Okay, that looks pretty banging, not gonna lie. We have this cake pan here. Gonna put the flat onion down. I'm actually gonna put the bigger one down. And then you're gonna stab this in with the point facing up. Put your tofu in. And yeah, if it's all crumbly like this, you just go and kind of stack it. And the weight will hold it all together. Okay, that looks insane. Okay, I had to pause to film an Instagram video. I'm gonna pop this right in here. So now all we have left to do is to grill up this naan. You could use pita or whatnot, but this is what we have, so we're gonna use this. Some of this plain yogurt, a garlic clove, and some chives. We did have parsley on the list, but yeah, I guess that didn't make the cut. And this yogurt's a little thin, so the garlic sauce will kind of thicken that up. Okay, we actually have good garlic cloves now. I think because winter is over, we're getting into some spring produce here in Canada. Let me know where you're at, where you're watching this. I'm in southwestern Ontario, near Toronto. I grew up in Toronto, but moved out of the big smoke. You're gonna grate in a garlic clove here, some salt. Gonna go in with some dried dill, and we're gonna go in with some chives. I'm gonna cut up enough for garnish. Oh, these chives are really nicely prepped. You don't see them like that. Half of that going in. Might go in with a splash of, I know not traditional, but none of this is traditional because we're not cooking with chicken. Rice wine vinegar, some balsamic. I would love if I had like lemon or something, but we don't. So balsamic-y, onion-y tomato salad. I'm gonna put it in this salad and then it can be all in one. So I'm just gonna quarter this and then just finely dice it. You know, you wouldn't see this at your late night joint, but this is probably better than your late night joint. There you go. All right, I'm gonna clean up here and I'll be right back. All right, these sweet potatoes are pretty much done, but I'm gonna let the tofu keep cooking. And then I'll pop these in kind of when we're closer to getting ready to go here. Okay, I just heard something fall. Let me see. That it was the tofu. That is really great to see. We have a new plan for this operation. So we are going to drop this whole thing into a hot pan, and we're gonna sear this like a log of meat. Okay, I think this is getting some nice color actually. Time to remove from the spit. Oh wow, look at that, just fall off the bone. We're gonna hit this with a base layer of that white sauce, we call it. And then we'll hit it with some sweet potatoes, salad, some chives just for good measure. Holy frig, look at that. That looks insane. Wow. Wow. It's like I'm at the late night shawarma spot, but oh wait, I'm in my own kitchen. Isn't that insane? Let me know down below what your favorite late night food was or is. Thanks so much for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.